Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team for Lemon. Today we will learn how to find the emails and LinkedIn URLs directly in the Google Sheets. For this purpose, I have written a code. It's a Google App Script code, and it's in the App Script extension App Scripts. So here's the code. You can get this code from the description of this video. And here you can see it's a menu, web page data, and the submenu fetch data. So paste the URLs in the column A and click on this fetch data. You will see it will generate the emails here in this column and LinkedIn URLs in this column. If on the website, if email and LinkedIn URLs exist on the website, it will fetch, otherwise not. So let's wait for the results. You can see it's scrapped all emails and LinkedIn profiles. So let's verify it's 365 canvas. So the email is quoted canvas. It's also fetched the file which has at. So it's ARC Joy, and this FSL man, Allies shop. So it's now fetching the emails and LinkedIn URLs. You can use this Google Sheet, click file, make a copy. You can find the link from the description. So tap the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.